Have you ever noticed that all self-help books are kind of the same? They all say you need to recognize the problem, realize that it's up to you to make the change, and then look for examples, make the change, take notes on how you've succeeded and failed, chart your progress, find a therapist or a coach or a mentor, and forge forward, right? Sounds good, and it is good. And yet, there's a little missing element in most of that I am excited to be. I'm not going to say I'm putting my thumb on it, because that's really the thing about it is that it might be called strong magic or big magic. Some other authors have called it that. And I am writing a book about it, calling it The Shift. And I'm really excited to share some of my thoughts about it as I move forward with my third and hopefully final first draft. If anybody out there has been through the process of writing a book, then you will get that inside joke. I'm Angel, by the way. I think I forgot to say that earlier. And this is my YouTube channel, I think, where you're probably seeing me, where I talk about curiosity and courage and communication and a lot of other things that start with C. So I thank you for stopping by. I just wanted to really introduce that subject and try to spit it out, honestly, see how it flows. Ask you for any feedback that comes to mind about how that sits with you. I will say that The Shift is about embracing this idea of magic, not in a woo-woo kind of way, but in a way of acknowledging that there's a lot more going on in the universe than we are capable of fully comprehending. A couple more C words there for you. And and so it's important to be able to hold two seemingly conflicting ideas, or maybe even more than two seemingly conflicting ideas, as true at the same time, and be able to let go of what doesn't serve us and embrace what does serve us in order to move forward in healthier ways, both as individuals and collectively. So at the beginning of my book, I'm going to be talking about the ability that we humans have to hold a paradox, our creative capacity, and what is big magic? What is strong magic? What is magic? What is strength? What is big? What is small? I'm going to dive a little bit into that and also introduce a fictional character that I've been working on, which is a compilation of you and me and everyone I've ever interacted with to some degree. And I believe her name is Hot Mess Ann. So I'm really looking forward to introducing more of this to you. I want to make an offer for just a very short period of time, and it'll be a very few of you potentially who send me an email if you're interested in reading the beta version of my first chapter. This will help me put some pressure on me to get it to you. It will allow you to get an inside glimpse, and in exchange for that, I'm going to be asking for some feedback so that, as I put out each chapter, I'm going to be sharing it in various ways, trying to collect feedback so that by the time I get to the end again of this third, and as I mentioned, hopefully final first drafting, then I will have some feedback on every chapter. I will rewrite it one more time and hopefully then be ready to send it to an editor. I know that was a lot of mouthfuls, or at least it felt pretty full in my mouth. Anyway, again, I thank you for stopping by. I thank you for being you and let me be me. I hope above and beyond all else, you will stay creative, stay curious, stay courageous, and stay free. Ciao for now.